Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
First robots pulling away from the goals, going out into that close goal, the close launch zone. Now Row2D2 using their Michiana wheel intake to pull in artifacts, now launching them up into the air. Backed up from the far field by their partners, 3311 Innovators Robotics out of Dayton, Ohio. They launched an artifact from afar as Row2D2 brings in the close field as we come down into 6 seconds left in Autonomous. Tennessee Titans launching up 2 artifacts. Their partners in the far field, Digital Dinos, trying to do the same as Auto ends.
Pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Red Alliance carrying a lead, 58-54, coming out of the teleoperated period. Coming out of the autonomous period, moving into teleop. First shots go up off Row2D2, now ready for a second batch onto the Red Alliance goal. Their partners, Innovators Robotics, swing right into the close launch zone, but the turret possibly having some difficulties locking on to that target. The Blue Alliance now continuing to push through artifacts. Ready to go. Digital Dinos skidding around the field on their nice Mecanum drive. Intake spinning and ready to go, looking to pull artifacts into their robot. They go 1 and 2 up from the close launch zone. Tennessee Titans were lined up but get bumped away by the defense and offense of Innovators Robotics. Innovators back for another shot, lining up their turret. 1, 2, and maybe even 3 go up. Working in tandem, trying to get out of the way of Tennessee Titans. Minute 8 left to go, 151-78 towards the Red Alliance. 47 artifacts already up. Red might be on their way to a goal RP if they keep this rate of scoring up. Blue Alliance keeps on scoring into the goal. Digital Dinos trying to shoot. Their partners in the backfield, Tennessee Titans do get it. Digital Dinos clearing the gate, opening up capacity for artifacts to fully land into the classifier and count for 3 points each. 40 seconds left to go. Red Alliance definitely growing a strong lead. 3 artifacts shy of that goal RP. Looks like some final shots coming up here. Have locked it down. Red Alliance has a bonus RP guaranteed as we move on into this match. 25 seconds to go. We are approaching endgame as we keep on moving towards the whistle. We have just 15 seconds left to go. 238-105. Red Alliance is retaining the lead. Looks like Innovators Robotics trying to get lined up in for a full park. Row2D2 coming in to join them. Actually, going back to pick up a few last artifacts. Firing them from afar. Now skidding in, trying to get a full and partial park pairing.
Is Red Alliance! 311 points to the winner, Red Alliance.